poster, plenty of performances, and all kinds of market experiences. This is the atmosphere at the market. Fresh from the fresh from the water, then grilled on top of 130 baht. Apple crab. My, look at that. Fresh grilled. Freshly grilled.
มาไปที่มางานนะครับพี่ไปจอดหน้าห้องน้ำก่อนเลยนะครับน้ำเลยที่ไอ้คุณสายถ่ายรูปนะครับพี่จอดหน้าห้องน้ำก่อนเลย
Very popular street food right here. You definitely find this in all kinds of restaurants.
นะพี่นี่มันจะบอกอย่างนี้เลยครับ
So these are the chocolate. These must be green chili sauces.
ขอบคุณค่ะมันจะช้าเนาะใช้คนเรื่องเยอะวันบ็อก
One box.
โอเคกล่องไหน
Apple crab. Apple crab.
น้ำจิ้มไม่เผ็ดอยู่กินได้
One box is 130 baht. You also come here and enjoy live music. As you can see, very lively expo going on at Suan Luang. A few meters from One Road intersection. Spaghettis. Being barbecued over here. Really invite you guys. Invite you. Over here is a very unique shop. Snacks are being sold at 10 baht each. And as you can see, people are getting a collection of them. Thai markets are packed a variety of different foods that you would definitely not miss trying out a variety of them. This is a very unique dessert. I don't know what name it's called, but it is really unique. It has flavors: shrimp, cola, orange, lychee, grape, apple, blue Hawaii, strawberry. Wow! You can also find your favorite king of fruit. Is a popular food here in Asia. There must be something unique about the opposite here. You can see people are lining up. It's a long queue. I wonder what these are. It must be something unique. Oh, this is... Look at how huge pantry. Very huge. Sawadee krab. This is seafood for Thai. You got your seafood over here. Your bean sprout. catering for sushi over here. Each piece is 10 baht. So there is a chef here, very unique flavors because spicy chicken, fried chicken, chicken skin.
อะไรชิมได้นะเล็กได้
Oh wow, amazing.
ผมเลือกได้เลยเป็นไก่ทอดไก่ต้ม
เป็นสะโพก70ครับน่อง60จะมีสะโพกหนึ่งนะ
70 Thai baht. And you've got a variety of chickens. This is a very unique one. Chicken skin, very popular. Real protein, insects, crickets, worms, grasshoppers, locusts, crabs. Those who love Thai buy a bottle of wine at the market. Wow, this expo is wholesome. Fresh pizza. Each piece, each slice is 25 Thailand. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I was just passing by shortly to show you around. The expo is going on till the 23rd. It's been on since the 14th. Today is the 19th. So you still got a couple of days for you to come and check it out in case you are in the area. We also got some activities, swings for the kids. If you have a young kid, we definitely bring them over here for them to relax and enjoy. Otherwise, that's it for this part of the video. See you in my next one.